Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I got the admin event 2 times. And how I got it was after the first admin event, which was pretty insane. This looks insane, right? So what I did was I went to a private server once the admin event was over, and they did it again for us. So it only works on the private server. So yeah, I don't know when you're going to watch this, probably the event when the event was over. But yeah, this is insane. Look what's in stock. It's not the best one in the game, but like it's insane. But yeah, that is pretty much how I got the admin event 2 times. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.